Hey beauties, time for a quick get ready with me. This is my new Dede Signature Chrome Book All Shimmer Palette. I did purchase this myself. There's no code, no nothing. This is my first time trying this brand and I liked the idea of an all shimmer palette. I do have a couple from Gourmande girls that I really like, but this one I felt like had a little bit of neutrality to it. It had a red that I've kind of been looking for as well. It has performed great. I have used it 3 times now. My only thing is that a couple of these are more kind of squishy or putty-like shades. So if you do have hooded lids and or hooded oily lids, you'll need to kind of press them out throughout the day. That does not bother me. They wear beautifully other than that. And I love the color choices so much. I'm so happy with this purchase. Next up, we're going to go in. This has been my new little combo. I got the First Aid Beauty Little Glow Drops in my IPSY Glam bag. And then the Keys Glowy Serum was gifted to me in PR, but I like to mix them both together. I've been doing that recently and it looks so pretty. Like if you are somebody that you don't have a lot of broken capillaries and rosacea and stuff like that, and you have kind of pretty, clear skin, so to speak, this would be beautiful just by itself, like with no product on top of it. It's a little bit glowy, a little bit dewy, a little bit luminescent, a little bit bronzy. I think it looks so freaking beautiful. Like, look at the glow, y'all. Next up, I'm going to go in with an old school classic. I've purchased this multiple times. This is the Stay Naked from Urban Decay. This is my summertime shade 41NN. I really love this. I've been using it since it came out quite a few years ago, but it's more of a medium coverage, very lightweight on the skin and very skin-like. It wears well. It looks incredibly beautiful. Kind of that mid-ground of more coverage than a tint, but not super thick mask-like full coverage. It's beautiful. Next up is the new Huda Beauty Blush Filter Blush. You can see I'm using a dot. And this honestly is too much. You can see my face. This is intensely pigmented. I honestly should have used a different brush, but I still had it packed up, so I didn't have the right brush that I'd normally use for this. But yeah, it takes just a second. If you have a more firm brush or a beauty sponge, it's gonna blend out perfectly for you, but you do wanna work kind of fast. But I wanna note that as pigmented as it is, it doesn't sit on the skin in kind of a muddy, chalky type of way. It doesn't look dry. It doesn't kind of like stay in place and end up looking, muddy or patchy or anything like that. It looks really beautiful. It has a slight little bit of like a luminescence to it, a slight dew. So if you do have oily skin, I think it would still work for you. But just the combination of all these products together, it's like the perfect little combination of a little bit of glow, a little bit of dew, more light coverage. I felt like the complexion looked so pretty. I'm going to go back in with the First Aid Beauty Bronzing Drops. I'm just using my finger. You could use a brush. You could omit this step altogether. Whatever you want to use, whatever makes you feel like the best version of yourself. I just wanted to add this just for a little bit extra glow, a little bit extra like warmth and bronziness. I really am liking this product a lot. I think it was a perfect companion to the other products for the complexion. Finishing up the eyes with the Wonder Beauty Mile High Mascara and the Maybelline Lash Discovery for the lower lashes. And then I'm just going to go in. This is an old L'Oreal Silkacine eyeliner. I'm not sure if they still sell this. I think they kind of repackaged it or renamed it. But I just lined the lips with just black. If you have a black liquid lipstick, that's going to work just as great. And then I just went in and topped it with this color changing lip oil from Gourmande Girls. It is the shade Black Pink. And as you can see, it gives a beautiful, like, very high shine. It smells delicious, FYI. It smells like fruit, sweet tarts, something. It smells great. But you can see it gives this beautiful kind of deep kind of black cherry effect to the black. If you really wanted to vamp this up, you could go in and do obviously some lashes, some black liner in the actual waterline too. Maybe even a wing liner would be sexy as heck. But I liked the blend here of it being slightly ethereal with like the eyes, and then just kind of very skin focused, but then also very vampy with the lip. I love this look so much. Let me know down below what you think. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.